mini rod chassis is on a trailer, but it doesn't fit. It's a touch too long, which I knew from the start, but anyway. So I gotta get this thing in there. The only way to do that is to have the wheels up here. So I gotta build little ramps to have, oh, I just had a brilliant idea. I've got these. Let's go have a look. You see in there? Car ramps. It's already done for me. Trying to make work for myself. Anyway, it's gonna be a quick video on this. No. The rest of this video is gonna be me at a car show with the mini rod. And obviously it's not finished, it's not painted. I'm just doing the dash at the moment, so that's gonna be done today. And a windscreen. Now I'll chuck the interior in it, bolt the body on, chuck the interior in it, secure it to the trailer, and then off we go tomorrow morning to show people if they want one of these, they can have one. Alright, so I put the car ramps in, and clearly that's exactly the same as what it was. Then I thought I could build a little ramp out here, and now I just had a brilliant idea. I'm going to hinge this. I'm going to hinge this, move this box forward, hinge that, drop it down, drive the car onto the hinged doodad. Bada bing, bada boom, done, finished, finito. That's what I'm going to do now. It fits. It's pretty good. That's hinged down now, the box is reattached. And I think the body will just clear this, but if it doesn't, I'm going to move this back a little bit. Anyway, this is probably still hot. Yep. It's nice and stiff. That hinges, got the hinges there. Nothing pretty, nothing fancy. Or if I wanted to, I could sort of block it up like that, so it's not fully laying down. And then when the car comes up onto it, it's heavy. Anyway. Yep. So I'm gonna do a test with the body on later. But now I'm going to do the Panhard bar. Got the dash all laid up. I'm running out of time for today. So I'm in a bit of a rush. I really want to get this straightened up because it just looks weird. Alright, so I got the front end straightened up again. Got my center lines straightened up. So now the Panhard bar is going to come up from the back here like that, probably up to about this high, just less than halfway between the distance. Then there's going to be a link and then another stand or leg or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it's going to be very similar to these, a piece of solid with some round welded on the end of it, and then a bolt through it. Super simple, it's all it needs. Doesn't need to be, engineered for NASA or nothing like that. So let's get into it. And here it is. It goes up like that. This one sits in there. Bolt goes through it. There will be a lock washer on there. So that's it. Panhard bar. That's going to sit in there. It goes up like that. Beautiful. So I'm going to get that welded in. That actually sits down there, flush with the bottom, just like that. Get that welded in, and show you when it's finished. I was hoping to have this horizontal, but I don't think won't matter too much. Again, it's the suspension, yeah, doesn't go up and down that much, so this won't matter. There it is. Weld's not the best. Gal doesn't like being welded. So the issue I had to move it, is that was hitting. And it just clears down here. And you can see the gap in there. But before it was hitting that when it was in the middle, so it just offset it a bit, which is fine. I got the mini rod loaded up. Ain't going anywhere. Ain't going anywhere. These are just, it takes the excess that's strapped on by the wheels, so I ain't going anywhere. Let's go. Let's go show it to the public. Hey, you're right. Well, today was the Mini Rod's first public appearance. I didn't get to film a whole lot because I was talking the whole time. The amount of attention this thing got was crazy. You could say they're all over it like a fly to a rotten piece of meat or something. You know? People were hanging around this thing more than any other car at the show, which, because it's unique and cool as, in my opinion. Yeah, a lot of great responses from everyone. For anyone from there who's watching this, thank you. That little show is at Morwell, Bunnings car park in Victoria, Australia. If you're in the area on a Wednesday morning, drop in and see all the cool cars there. By the time I got the film, half of them already left, or more than half. Just because everyone was just crowding around this and asking questions, and I couldn't really get away to look at the other cars. So it's all good. Next time this car will be there, will be when it's finished, hopefully. Yeah, looking forward to that. I can start on the next one. Anyway, thanks for watching. Brake still doesn't work. Today was the Mini Rod's first public appearance, and a lot of people were very extremely nice. Lots of cool, very good comments. No negativity at all, which was awesome. I'd say 99% of car guys are top blokes, you know. Yeah, everyone was swarmed to this thing. They saw it pull up in the trailer, and they couldn't wait for me to get it off there. I didn't get to take a whole lot of footage because the whole time I was there, people were just swarming around this, asking me questions. Yeah, it was great. I was there for about 2 hours. It's only a very small car show, just like the local blokes and girls bring their cars out every Wednesday morning to a Bunnings car park in Mid-Valley, Morwell, Gippsland. If you don't know it, it's all good. Right, so as you just saw from the very short footage, I was at the car show today. It's just a little one, a small gathering of you know, people who like cars. Every Wednesday morning they're down there. Great bunch of guys. Everyone else who turned up to see the cars loved to see this, asking me questions. I didn't get to do a whole lot of filming at the car show because I was talking the whole time to everyone asking questions about this. I had a great time. So many nice people. Most, like, I'd say 99.9% of car guys and girls are awesome people. Really awesome people. I just want to thank everyone for all their positive and kind words. And I'm back home. That was the first public appearance for the Mini Rod, and everyone loved it. Couldn't get enough of it. So many questions were asked and so many questions were answered. And yeah, there's car people in general are some of the most nice people you'll ever meet. And I love going to things like that. It's awesome bringing something rather than just bringing myself. But yeah, I had a ball. I didn't get to film a whole lot, and by the time I did, most of the cars are gone. So the footage from there isn't great. But yeah, I had a great time. People love to see it, something different. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm going to drive this way. Flintstone style. Really got to attach the attachment. See ya.